Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to create and put two tables side by side in Word. In order to do that, I have opened my Word document as always, and from the upper menu, we're coming to Insert, and here we have the table section. We're clicking this, and we're just putting one row with two different columns labeled. Okay, we've got the skeleton of the tables that they're going to be side by side. So we didn't finish yet. We're coming once again to insert, and from the table section, we are in the left section of this one row, two column table. We're coming to table once again, and for this instance, I'm going to create two columns and two row table inside this, and on the right section of the one row and two column table, I'm gonna come once again to insert, and from the table section I'm gonna select, this time I'm gonna put three columns and two rows. Okay, but from the outer skeleton you can see that we have the outer line. We don't want this. How we can disappear this? We're coming to the outer table and we are selecting the outer table. Okay, we selected that and we're clicking right, and from this upper menu we are coming to the border section. As you can see, we're gonna select no borders, and voila, we have disappeared the outer skeleton, and the only left is the two tables differently and side by side inside one row. Now let's design a little bit the headers. I'm coming to the home section. I'm gonna put some back color to this. I'm gonna do light gray, and for this I'm gonna put, for this example, red. I'm gonna make both of them, I'm gonna select them all and make both white font type, and here I'm gonna say name. For this I'm gonna put phone, and for this I'm gonna put ID number, for example, ID number, and for this I'm gonna put full name. As you can see, we have two different tables in one row, and we can do the design as we desire. Also, I'm gonna put the email address. So like that, you can put Adam. We have a slight error, as you can see. We can design this line we can change the font color to black. Also, we can come here and modify it a little bit. Let's make it black also here. I'm gonna put Adam, Nash, and phone is gonna be 555, and just making the sample now, 111 111 111, for example. An ID number is gonna be 5555555, and the full name is gonna be John. Okay, John Asheville. Let's also make the border a little bit bigger. Also, the email is going to be jashville@yahoo.com. Also, we're going to expand the border, and we have two tables side by side like this. So simple, right? So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye. I love you all. Bye bye. Maybe I have to put a little bit distance to this microphone because my voice a little bit pops up. I don't know. Bye.